Hi, I'm Oatley, and today we're going to be cooking one of my favorites, shrimp lo mein. We're going to start with a bag of peeled and deveined large shrimp. We want to go ahead and marinate our shrimp, so we're going to add it to a bowl or a Ziploc bag. We want to add 1 egg white, just the egg white. We'll also add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil. Now let's give it a mix, and I must admit I was a little impatient and didn't let my shrimp thaw out completely, so please make sure you thaw out your shrimp. We're just going to let this sit for a few minutes while we work on our sauce. For our sauce, we're going to start with 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and if we need more later, we can add it to our pan. 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil, which is very stinky, but we need it. 1/2 cup of sweet rice cooking wine. You can also substitute with white cooking wine. We're also going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now we're just going to whisk all of our ingredients together. I'm moving on to my stove so I could heat up some water to cook some lo mein. While our water is heating up, I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons of vegetable or canola oil on a wok, and I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. And you might want to start off with low heat, that way it doesn't splatter on you. Let's give it a quick mix, and we're ready to add our shrimp. We're going to be cooking our shrimp until it's nice and pink. I'm going to let it sit on one side for about 2 to 3 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to add a little bit of salt to my boiling water, and I'm going to go ahead and start cooking my lo mein. These only take about 4 minutes to cook, but be sure to cook them according to your package directions. Once your shrimp becomes nice and pink like this, we want to transfer it to another plate temporarily. To my wok, I'm going to add a little bit of oil, about 2 tablespoons, so we can start stir frying our veggies. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Now I'm going to add a mixture of veggies, which includes mushrooms, julienne carrots, red bell peppers, snap peas, and bean sprouts. Let's give this a quick mix. I'm going to go ahead and stir fry them for about 4 minutes. We want to make sure they're tender but with a nice crunch. Let's go ahead and add our sauce now. Now our shrimp and our lo mein egg noodles. You want to toss it all together, making sure everything gets mixed in the sauce. At this point, if you feel you need a little more sauce, you can always sprinkle just a little bit more soy sauce. Now we'll just cook for 2 minutes so it picks up all the delicious flavors of our sauce. Oh, it's ready. It smells and looks so yummy. Let's go plate this. And here you have it, a delicious shrimp lo mein I know you'll enjoy.
If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below and hit that little bell to get notified of all of my new videos. Thanks for watching.